All right, we all wanted to say Happy Doctor's Day to all of you. We appreciate everything you do for our team, for nursing and all patient care. And this is the nursing leadership team that helps to support the best care, quality, and patient safety in collaboration with you. So it takes a team, and we want to say thank you for being a part of our team to ensure we do everything the best we can. Team.
Thank you.
Happy Doctor's Day. Thanks.
I'm lucky enough to get to work side by side with Dr. Kiesling for the last 6 years, and I can tell you that I don't think I've ever met a more compassionate, caring, and just honest human being. He truly is one of the best physicians I've ever met, and just one of the best people that I know. Happy Doctor's Day, especially to you, Dr. Kiesling, and to all the other physicians at Fremont Healthcare for Women. We really are lucky to have you guys, and we appreciate everything that you do for us and for our patients, and you really make it easy to go to work every day.
One thing I appreciate about working with Dr. Glowacki is he brings a professional and a personal level to all of our patients' visits, which they greatly appreciate. And he is also extremely courteous with the staff. Everything is a please and a thank you, and he makes our days working with him very special.
I'm Jean Schaefersman. At PFFM, I feel our doctors work together in community of healthcare. Our doctors work well to coordinate all aspects of medicine and have a strong relationship with the specialists and other services in our community and elsewhere. Their compassion and commitment to our patients is well known as they strive for the best outcome in every situation. On a personal note, when our son was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, we were blessed to have the Fremont medical community surround us with compassion, expertise, and were able to guide us through this very difficult time. Happy Doctor's Day, Dr. McKnight, Dr. Wolf, and Dr. Vermas.
Hi, I'm Tracy. I have worked here for 3 years with Fremont Health Clinics, internal medicine, and now with family care included. And I have experienced several different occasions. One of them, Dr. Robertson, had a patient that could not walk very well. He, in fact, took his patient's keys, went and got his car and brought it around front so that the patient didn't have to walk outside and get his car, which to me was going over and above.
Dr. Kerber has been our leader in the laboratory and pathology for more than 36 years, and some of us have had the privilege of working with him for that long or nearly that long. Dr. Kerber has the ability to make a serious job fun. He is smart, witty, and makes us laugh. He's appreciative of hard work and dedication shown by all lab employees. Drs. Kerber, Webster, and Marcus have been great mentors over the years, sharing their knowledge of pathology with us. We would like to thank them for their years of dedicated service to our hospital and laboratory. We are so fortunate that we work for pathologists that we can call our bosses and also our friends.
Happy Doctor's Day to Dr. Sellen and Glowacki. It is indeed my pleasure to work for these two gentlemen. I've worked for a number of different physicians throughout my career, and these are two of the finest guys, and not only as employers, but I'm happy to call them my friends. So happy Doctor's Day and many more.
I am Jan Jordan. I have been part of the Fremont area medical community for nearly 46 years. I have been blessed and privileged to be part of the Prairie Fields Family Medicine Clinic, working alongside Dr. McKnight for nearly 39 years, with Dr. Wolf for 12.5 years, and Dr. Vermas for 3.5 years. Being part of the family medicine has given such a good opportunity to help these providers provide holistic care for all generations of our patients, and it has been such a privilege to be part of it. You could not ask for better healthcare providers or mentors than Dr. McKnight, Dr. Wolf, or Dr. Vermas, and I truly am grateful for this opportunity. Happy Doctors Day.
So for Doctor's Day, I would like to thank and acknowledge a few physicians that were involved in care of my grandma over the last little more than a year until she passed away in August. Dr. Eberly was her primary. Dr. Lund was really involved both outpatient and inpatient, and Dr. Aksher when she was hospitalized multiple times over the last year or so. She was really struggling with a lot of issues related to a stroke that she had had in October 2017, and just really went downhill pretty quickly, but had a really, really great relationship with Dr. Eberly in particular. She talked about him all the time and how appreciative she was of him. For my family, and primarily for my mom and my aunt, who were her primary caregivers, the biggest impact was right at the end of her life. She had been in assisted living for nearly a whole year and eventually just really needed to go on hospice. And when that decision was made and she was moved into Dunclaw Gardens for hospice, Dr. Eberly was going to be out of town on vacation, and so he knew he probably wasn't going to be there inevitably when she passed away. And I would just really want to thank and draw attention to the time that he took to come and visit with her and with my mom and my aunt and to say goodbye. I know because so many of you have said before that that is really challenging to know there's nothing more that you can do for someone. So I can only imagine how difficult that probably was for him to do. But I hope that he and all of you know how much that meant to our family and what a huge, huge difference that made. And what a big difference that you obviously make every single day. So thank you and happy Doctor's Day.
Here's a shout out to our great wound center physicians. Dr. Suksdorf,
Dr. Leatherberry,
Dr. Pintel, Dr. Gartin,
and Dr. Halverson.
Thank you for everything you do to heal our patients.
This rose was actually, yesterday was Valentine's Day, and one of our patients brought roses to Dr. Stanley, who I work with, and to both of her nurses. So we each got a rose from a patient. So that's just part of the story of Dr. Stanley. Sorry, getting emotional here, of her care for her patients. She loves her patients and she takes very good care of them. And they all appreciate her so much that they bring roses to her. She's young, she's energetic, she's enthusiastic, she's smart. She's very easy to talk to, so her patients come in and leave feeling very good about their visit. She answers their questions. And for me, as far as working with her, she's fun to work with, and she gives us the opportunity to learn and to grow. And she gives us lots of work to do, don't let me say that, but she's very good at letting us do what we do best and taking care of patients too. So happy Doctor's Day, Dr. Stanley, I love you.
All right, just breathe nice and easy for a breath or two. Now take in a nice big breath and blah, 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 blah. Now suck in real big. Good job. Dr. Oxford, you blow us away.
Happy Doctor's Day 2019.
This group of doctors, I just can't say enough about them. They are very caring, they are kind, very compassionate people that love their patients, care about their patients, and are truly concerned about them. And just want to say Happy Doctor's Day.
We're lucky to have a lot of good physicians here at Methodist Fremont Health. I've worked at a lot of different clinics, just filling in and helping out, and I haven't had a bad experience with any of them. So thank you to all those doctors that I've worked with, and just thank you for being great with staff that's filling in and just your nurses. And we truly are lucky to have some really good doctors here in town.
So on behalf of Methodist Fremont Health, our board of directors, our leaders, and our staff, I just want to say Happy Doctor's Day. We're very fortunate to have a strong, diverse, and very cohesive medical staff to serve our organization and our community. From a personal perspective, I enjoy my relationships with the medical staff collectively and individually, and just enjoy the opportunity to work alongside of you. So I also just want to say, make sure you all know that your work here at Methodist Fremont Health really does make a difference for our patients, our residents, their families, and our communities. So once again, thank you and Happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you for serving the residents of Dunkeld Gardens.
Thank you, Dr. Huffman, for helping my tummy. Thank you, Dr. Gruppy.
Happy Doctor's Day from the best nurses. Happy Doctor's Day.
Happy Doctor's Day.
Doctor's Day.